Hi guys! Today is the 20th of April 2019. Today, magluluto tayo ng stir-fried T-bone steak. Gawin natin stir-fried T-bone steak guys. Yung ating T-bone steak. Yung stir-fry. Kasi yung meat dito sa Pinas guys is quite tough. So this is the T-bone steak here in the Philippines, and the meat is quite tough. So in Australia, guys, the meat of T-bone steak over there is quite tender. Na-try ito ng aking asawa, but it is tough. So gawin ko itong stir-fry T-bone steak. So gawin ko itong tender, okay? Watch this. So hugasan natin guys ang ating karne. So, yun. So, I've got 3 steaks here. Gawin ko itong stir-fry T-bone steak. Beef yan, guys. Itender ko ito. Yung mahina lang ang apoy, guys. Pag tinder nito, guys. Ana-ana na ito, guys. Actually guys, malinis ang kamay ko guys. Hawak ko. Kinamitan ko guys ng 5 kalamansi guys. Ang kalamansi din guys, yung juice niya, makatulong din ito sa pagpatinder ng kanyang meat. Kaya ginawa ko yung nararapat. Pinaka-simple ting mantika, i-spread natin all over sa ating frying pan. At saka ilagay na natin ang ating hinaan ang apoy. So a little bit crowded, but yun lang guys, i-brown natin, i-flip over. Then, yun. Tenderize na natin later, guys. So, guys, ito yung ginawa ko, guys. In another wok, I added 3 glasses of Sprite. And then, nilagay ko yung ating T-bone steak na na-brown ko na. Tapos now, habang kumukulo siya ng malakas guys, natin ang apoy, okay? Para mag-tender ang ating meat. Yun lang. Ang apoy na napakahina guys. At saka, i-cover up natin. I-flip over muna natin guys. Kasi, kumukulo na siya ng ano. So, that's the Sprite guys. Sprite. So, that's the T-bone steak with Sprite. So, we are going to simmer it 1 hour and more. So, as long as the meat is tender, guys. Kasi very tough ang meat natin. Okay? So, i-cover up natin, guys, at i-simmer natin. So, guys, this is a chicken broth cube na ating ilagay ng ating pagsisimmer. Ilagay natin sa ating pagsisimmer ng ating beef T-bone stir-fry T-bone steak. Okay? Yun. Lagay ko na siya, guys. Habang pakulok pa, itinder natin, guys. Hindi ako naglagay ng tubig, guys, ha. Ito yung makikita nyong sabaw niya. Ito yung Sprite, okay? This is the carrots, as usual. And this is my sweet potatoes. Na-brown ko na yan, guys. And this is my potatoes. Only one potato that I used, guys. So, slice na lang na ako ng ganyan. Okay? And this is our cabbage. So, now we have our garlic. That is our garlic, guys. And this is our pineapple tidbits. And this is our red onions, tomatoes, spring onions, and this is our ginger and our chili. So, I will not slice this chili, guys, para hindi masyadong maanghang. So, yun lang. Yun lang ang ating mga sangkap, guys, okay? Guys, yun ang T-bone steak ko, guys. Nilakasan ko ng apoy after 1 hour and 15 minutes, guys. Nilakasan ko. Isuti ko na yung mga spices, okay? Lagay ko na yung garlic muna, guys. Kahit hindi pa mainit ang kawali. Garlic, guys. Ginger. And ginger. So, after sa ginger, we're going to saute our red onions. Para hindi masunog ang ating garlic. Next, isunod natin ang ating tomatoes. Spring onion. So then we are going to pour in or tip it in our vegetables na sote natin kanina. Put our pineapple in our meat. Pineapple tidbits. Sprinkle a little bit of salt in our vegetables. Hintayin ko lang, guys, na exactly 1 hour and 30 minutes yung ating karne, guys, na sinisimmer natin. So, this is it. So, maglagay tayo, guys, ng additional ground pepper. Mag-add in tayo, guys, ng oyster. Around 1 tablespoon oyster. Tapos, sprinkle a little bit of salt. A little bit lang guys, always a little bit. Maglagay din kayo guys ng a little bit of soy sauce. So, ating lakasan ang apoy for 2 minutes. So, ito na yung ano natin guys. Vegetables natin guys. So, ilagay na natin ang ating vegetables sa ating T-bone steak. So, yun. Kita ninyo guys. So, takpan natin guys. At i-turn down natin ang ating fan na apoy guys. Yung pinaka low heat para mag-simmer ang ating mag-simmer ang ating vegetables at saka additional tender ng ating karne for additional 30 minutes or more. So, depende na yun guys pag okay na yung veggies natin. Yung karne natin guys, kailangan pa ng konting kimbot. At saka yung vegetables natin guys. Okay? Smell good. Wow, smell good guys. So now, tender na yung beef natin guys. Ilagay na natin ang ating cabbage. This is our cabbage guys. So, ayokong, ano guys siya guys. I-ano ko na lang ng ganyan. Kasi ayokong hindi ko na siya i-stir kasi maano siya guys, ayokong ang veggies ko ma-deform. Yun lang siya guys. Oh my god, takpan natin guys, simmer natin ng 5 minutes na lang. It is exactly 2 hours and yeah, 2 hours guys na simmer natin ang ating beef. Grabe ka-tough ang beef dito guys. So now we are going to taste. Wow. Napaka-yummy. Hindi ko pa natikman guys pero at the looks, in my looks. Yummy guys. Yummy. Okay, yummy. Maglagay tayo guys ng spring onion guys ha. Para magbigay siya ng kulay. So ano na siya, very tender na siya talaga guys, okay? So now we are going to make our platings guys and I will show you afterwards, okay? This is our finished product. This is a stir-fried T-bone steak with vegetables, okay? So guys, this is my finished product. This is stir-fried T-bone steak with vegetables. Wow, it looks so yummy. And thank you for watching to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Have a great time. Bye.